record it. Okay, so as I mentioned, now we have all the diversity profiles, and whatever the profiles we have opened, they're not showing in a first glance that they are from women's engineering college or something like that, whatever the keywords which we have mentioned um, over here, something like a use case of people who would have mentioned women's or woman or girl or girls or ladies or female or balia. Also, in addition, maybe in second example, I'll just take copy this one.
Shiva, one thing here,
Yeah,
Rohit. So, is there anywhere where we can filter like experience wise
we'll come to that.
in this X-ray search?
That's a later point. That's covered in the
Okay.
um, table of content. Do you have a table of content? Uh, didn't you receive the table of content? What is that we're going to cover in this entire session?
Yeah.
If not, let me know. I'll send it to you. In
Yeah.
technology.
Please share it.
Okay, so women in tech, girls in tech, in technology. Um, what else? Some technical words, some recent trending words. Women in technology, women in tech is definitely something else coming to someone else's mind.
Hackathon.
Women's in IT.
IT.
Hacker. Yeah.
In IT.
Hacker, coder.
Hackathon. Is the spelling correct for hackathon?
Yes. KA, I think. Hackathon. KA. KA.
Hackathon. Challenge. Coding.
Programmer.
Basically, it's STEM also some people use, right? In India, I don't know its use of STEM.
STEM, right?
For girl technical girl, right?
Yeah.
So I don't know in India how much it popular.
Science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. That is what STEM stands for, right?
Yes.
Science.
Developer.
I wanted a combination of woman developer, woman programmer, woman coder, woman hackathon, woman challenge, woman technology, women in tech, girls in tech, girls in technology, girls hackathon, girls challenge, girls coding, girls programmer, girls STEM, girls okay, programmer, developer, you said, right? What else?
We already mentioned coding, and you can also mention coder.
Coder, okay. So this is specifically from those non-co-education colleges, this particular string. And this string we are trying to see in case if we have additionally something like that. Let's see. Okay, now if you see here, what are the results we mentioned, though in a first glance it was not showing us, but after opening College for Women, then here also Stanley College for Engineering and Technology for Women, then Sridevi Women's Engineering College, Nava College of Engineering and Technology for Women, Home Science. Okay, so education, women, higher education women. Did we miss education in our string? I think not. But anyways, from university also it's taking. Education, I think we missed, but we would have taken. But otherwise, university, one word. For 1, home 2, science 3, and 4, her 5, education 6, for 7, after 7 words, university, after 7 words, a combination of women. Bojreddy College for Women's 1, 2, 3, 4 after 4 words. Sri Vishnu Engineering College after engineering, college for women only 2 words. Okay, Bengal College of Engineering and Technology for women. So college of 1, engineering 2, and technology and all. Okay, so engineering and technology also we can use, in fact. So let's modify so that I'll just share this string also with you. Education, engineering, technology. These 3 things we missed now. Here.
Technology.
Education, engineering, instead of engineering, if you're seeing for some functional people, you can use commerce or arts or anything, arts and technology, commerce, or BCom computer, something like that also you can use it. So here we are searching for software engineers, so that's the reason I'm taking more technical institute terms. Okay, so similarly coming here. So yeah, that's where the use case of this Bojreddy College of Women, HSBC. Okay, so Malla Reddy College for Women. So engineering college for women. All right. Any questions in this? Any confusion? Any doubts? So let me jump to second use case, the one which we have built now.
When to use around, what it means that operator means. How?
Okay, around operator, around 7 when we used this thing. So it means simply any one word. Okay, let's say in this, any one word from this particular set, women or women's or girls or girl or ladies or female or Bali or Mahila or Balika, any one word from this set within 7 words. Before, let's say woman is of one word. Woman is a one word. Then within 7 words, it could be within 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maximum up to 7. Within 7 words, we have a next word appearing from this set. In tech, in technology, in IT, hackathon, challenge, coding, program, or STEM, or developer. Within 7 words. That's what the around 7 is doing. Near 7 words. In and around 7 words, which are the number of words before around and number of words before after. It's taking any one word from this set and any one word from this set and making a combination of within 7 words. Those particular terms are mentioned, and that's what around is doing.
So you mean to say like for using synonyms, like up to 7 synonyms we can use for precise searching, right? If suppose not women, we are looking for some.
Here I'm using 7, but in fact, when we use around operator, we can use up to 10 words also. It searches up to 10 words also.
Okay. So we're looking for the synonyms word up to 10, right? We can use it.
It's not again synonyms. It's again maybe synonyms you can say, but technically.
Yeah, just because women, female, right?
Exactly.
For that I'm. Yeah, for that.
In that way, fine.
Right?
Exactly.
So okay.
So in that way,
so when we want to use this kind of search, when put this kind of search, then around can be beneficial, right?
Around, yes. So this is more of institutional focused string. Second string, I'll go. If you see when I'm using in URL, I'm getting in a first glance only 30. So to increase that, we just scroll down and repeat the search result with the omitted results. And it will give us the additional rest of the result. Every result is from Hyderabad. The reason because we have used Hyderabad and around 5 words connections. That's the reason we have every single word from Hyderabad, a result from Hyderabad. Similarly, I'll just go here and give now in technology, hackathon, challenge, coding, programmer, that use case. Okay. STEM.
So earlier was before this around search, and this one is like the 30, right? Because of that.
No. When we use in URL, by default, it will give only 30 results at a first glance. Then we have to what we
What was
say.
the earlier search? I got confused. Earlier was lot many search, right? And now it is 30. I got confused.
No. Earlier it will first whenever we use in URL, it will give only 30 results. Always you have to repeat the search result with vomited results. That's where it gives more number of results. But otherwise, whenever you use in URL for a specific site, again, not for a in URL resume or CV. When we use in URL for a specific site, it would go maximum up to 30 results in a first glance. But when we go repeat the search result with the vomited result, it will give more. Okay. Now STEM has been excluded because Google limits us maximum up to 32 keywords. So here we would have excluded the limitation of that 32 keywords. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 32 keywords includes operator also. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. There might be some thing else also which you have not taken account. Maybe software engineer, I've just taken a one word. If I break it down, software as a one word and engineer as a one word, then it goes for a 34. So that's reason it has excluded STEM and giving us the rest of the results. But let's see. So let me remove STEM in that case. Otherwise, let's see till where it's excluding, and let me remove those words. And it will first exclude those words which has a very least results. Google algorithm, basically it will try to include with the maximum number of results, and it will first start excluding which has a least number of results. But which has a more number of result, it will not exclude. First, it will start excluding only which has a least number of results. So as I mentioned, this colon in Word, it is written different way, wherein in Notepad, it's written in different way. The correct format is of a Notepad. So I'm still correcting it. So developer, programmer are basically again are titles, but let's see in case if we come across some of the result who would have mentioned woman developer, woman programmer. So let me remove STEM. Okay, science again excluded. So let me remove this only. This anyways understood by Google. Just woman woman star. That's where we cover star today. What the star is doing is nothing but the fill in the blanks. So it would give us girl or girls, woman or women's. So instead of in technology or in tech, we are just using in tech star colon. In IT is definitely not one. Okay, now it has not excluded. Now if we see woman, definitely it's taking. Now how many, within how many words we have asked? Within 7 words, or is it more than that? Okay, around 5 we have used. Let me use it around, okay, this is for connections. For women, let's see. Okay, around 7 words. So let's say the Hyderabad use case is through. It's giving us all the results. Control, open a new tab. Woman is coming, but let's see. This is more kind of an industry focus, like women tech makers. Okay, tech makers also we can give. Maybe it's taking a synonym of it. Women graphic, women tech makers, women and maybe a developer combination it's taking within 7 words for women engineering Java developer and within 7 word 1 2 3 4 5 within 7 word this particular word is appearing. Science within 1 word this word is appearing. I'm only opening the result which are not showing at a glance what it's supposed to be. Software developer, software engineer, engineering for women, experience somewhere it is. So again, if we see all the results are again diversity results. Okay. So this person is definitely, let's say, are they okay? Women tech makers and engineering. So women and engineering within those things. We got it. Though person not really sure if the person is from Diversity Institute. No, person is not from Diversity Institute, from co-education, but yeah, she would have written something related to like women engineering for undergraduates, program for women, or whatever the keywords which we have used over here. Over here in technology, in IT, hackathon, challenge, coding, programmer, STEM, science, developer, coding. Any one word from this particular set, and any one word from this particular set within 7 words. Within 7 words, 1 word from any this set, women or women's or anything. What we have done is that we just removed this thing. Now we made it just woman star. So star is nothing but it's a fill in the blanks. When we are giving this girl star, it would give me girl, girls, everything. When I give woman star, it will give me woman, women's, everything. Okay, so that star could be used in combination of one single word, or also could be used in combination of a particular software and star, so that it would give software engineer or software developer or software programmer or whatever. We can also just give like this. When we use in a combination of one word, then that's where we are using immediately without gap woman star, so that it takes woman, women's, like something like test, T-E-S-T, test star. Let's not disturb this example. So let's say software, T-E-S-T, test star. So it would take test, testing, tester, everything like that, along with Java or Python or Go or Golang, and Hyderabad around 5 connections, so that we have only from Hyderabad. In URL linkedin.com/in, so that we have only from the LinkedIn. Software space star, so it would take software developer or software programmer or software engineer or software test engineer, anything it would take. Along with woman star, women or women's, girl star, girl, girls, anything, ladies, or let's say lady star, it will not take because LADY it is, it's not LADIES, it's not LADI, it's a LADY. So I'm not using LADY star, I'm using separately. Okay, then female, Balya, Mahila, Balika, any one word from this particular set has in technology or in tech or in IT or hackathon or challenge or coding or programmer or STEM or science or developer or coder. Any one word from this set within 7 words. That's where we are using around 7 has a word, any one word from this particular set. Now let's say.
So how many words that we can give after around 7, like in tech, in technology, in IT? Is there any limitation for it?
There is no limitation. The limitation is up to 32 keywords.
Okay.
Google will take, including operator and a keyword, up to 32 keywords is what Google accepts. So after around,
Okay.
you can use number of keywords. Doesn't make sense.
The,
So okay, you can use
the best word which fits that we have to give it.
What we
between,
need to be
32.
mindful of is around maximum 10 words.
Okay.
Okay, that's where we get. See, if we give around 15 also, we might end up in getting result. But again, it start behaving like a Naukri, where in the initial results are correct, but later on results are excluded. So if you don't want that to happen, that's where we are using maximum up to around 10 keywords.
Got it. Sure. Yeah.
Okay, so
Ashik, I have one more question, like regarding this star that you have used. So, do I need to write in over invited commas or without commas? Like the software is
Exactly.
which one?
I have the same question.
Which one?
This one. Software, it's written in invited comma, the star.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then here, woman and girl is without invited comma. So how that?
Star. So this star could be used for one word or could be used for the term itself, like software space. Let's say I'll come to that example. I know where you're coming from. So when I use in combination of one particular word, woman star, it would take woman or women's because those are coming within one words only. But when I say software space star, then it would take software space then star.
Software and you mean
anything. It's just the fill in the blank. So star is nothing but the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks within one word or fill in the blanks in the entire term or fill in the blanks in the entire line. We'll slowly learn. Okay, so let's.
And why there is no gap between the test actually? Can you please help me with that?
We'll come to this example. We are not running now. We'll once we
Okay.
I'll come to that. Let's close up on the use cases of these examples first. So yeah, here is the example, women tech makers and women in technology. That's where it's coming in. So these are all the results which we have opened are the results in a glance. It was not showing about this women and in tech related keywords, but now we started opening the profiles. Okay, women here. So engineering here and women here. Software developer, IIT, tech makers. Okay, so developer and women. Developer at 1, IIT 2, Hyderabad 3, and women 4. Within 7, when we gave around 7, within 4 words, we have a developer and women. Okay, consultant, Nova College for Engineering and Technology, software engineer, BTech technology focused in computer science. Okay, technology or science. Science is one word. Then from one, sorry, science I'll exclude. That's a keyword which we have mentioned, science. But otherwise from 1, Nova 2, college 3, of 4, engineering 5, 6, technology we have mentioned. Otherwise technology also we have mentioned, science or technology we have mentioned. So 7, 8. If it is taking 8, maybe within the combination of technology and women it has taken. Okay, so coming down to the next. Institute of Technology, MTech focused embedded system, master information technology, skilled, experienced. Okay, Gokuraju embedded college. So here engineering is a word, engineering and technology is the word. Though we have not mentioned the college, but we have mentioned engineering or technology. That's where it's taking. Here is technology and all. So that's reason it's taking. Okay, so in engineering, in technology also is fine. So that's taking from there. So woman engineer, it's taking from here. Okay, so coming here. So again, women and all technology, it's taking from there. Technology and women, it's taking from here. Software engineer, Qualcomm, engineering for women, it's taking from here. Experienced developer looking design role. With excellent communication skills. So something might be in this also, but let's see. Role involved, engineering, craft. Okay, directly it's taking from here. Engineering and women, it's taking from here. So yeah, this use case is fine. Let's go to next use case. Otherwise, if you see now we have non-co-education profile also, but who would have mentioned the words of engineering, technology around women or something like that. Similarly, now we'll take this example. Now I'll say I'll be more specific in this. Okay, we might run out of time in next 10 minutes. Please relog in. We'll continue our session. Okay, so now here, okay, first let me just take this example, then we'll further fine tune it. Okay, now as you asked me, so this is giving us in URL linkedin.com, only LinkedIn profiles, because we have taken in URL linkedin.com/in software space star within the quotes. Okay, so it's giving us software space star. That star could resemble anything. It could be software engineer, software developer, software programmer, any word it could come. After star, it could be any word. So we just give star. Okay, but if you see software development here in the title, it's not there. Software testing, then and test star. So we have not given test space star. So that's reason. Now if we see, we have a result test star, either a testing, either a test or a tester or tested, anything would come. Okay, now let's be more specific and give a command in title, in title software space. Now every title, earlier if you see in this example without in title, we had a software space star, it could be any word, and this software it could be either in the title or it was coming somewhere else also. Now here we have a university software in the keywords. Here in the title it's coming, here in the title it's coming, here in title no, here in the keywords it's coming, in text it's coming, here in title no, in text, okay, software engineering, in title it's there, here in title it's not there, but in text it's there, here in title it's not there, in text it's there. Now I'm going for a second command, be more specific, give me this software word only in the title, title colon within the quote software space star. So that star could resemble anything. Now every title has a word software. It could be software development engineer, software development engineer, software engineer, or software programmer, or anything. But otherwise, if you see, every title has a word software now. Now I'll say second command again. Software. Okay, let's see more profiles in case somewhere in the title we do not have a word software. Every profile has a word in title. Every result has a word software in title. This blue one which is getting highlighted is a title of a LinkedIn. So when we give in title, within the double quote software space star, that star could resemble anything. As I mentioned, it could be engineer, it could be developer, it could be programmer. It's just the fill in the blank. It replaces with any word. But otherwise, my command over here to give software in the title, and it has given software everywhere in the title. Now we'll go. Second command will say, not just software in the title, we also want test, testing, tester, anything like that. Again in title, test star. Okay, so software development engineer in test, software development engineer to test, software development engineer test, SP software, junior test engineer, SP software, software test engineer, software test engineer, software test engineer, software test engineer, anything. So we have both the words appearing in title, software and test, both the word appearing in title. So it's not just test, it could be a testing also. Let's see in case if you have any word which has either test or testing. Generally, most of the people write software test engineer only. That's the reason it's coming in a first page. Let's see in case if we come across some of the words who has written software testing engineer, some of the results like that.
Shiv, sorry for interrupting you.
Sure.
Shiv, like when you have put the star with the software, right? Like in title colon, these commas and software. Software with star, right? Software space star.
Software
right?
space star.
Yeah, then you said that it will show all the categories of software, right? So I think it was showing software tester as well at that time.
Yeah, it will show because the star is anything, any word. It's just the fill in the blanks.
Okay.
We are not specific.
It will cover all the categories like developer, programmer, engineer, tester, testing, all the things it will cover, right?
Everything it will cover.
Okay, and now specifically when you have in titles colon test star.
Yes.
And then it is specifically showing us the software testers profile only.
Exactly. Right? Yeah. So it's taking a combination of software space star. It could be development engineer, developer engineer, programmer engineer, something like junior test, SP software limited, LinkedIn, everything. But end of the day, what is our command? Give in title word test star. It could be test, testing, tester, anything. Second command in title software. Third command in URL linkedin.com/in. Fourth command any one word Java, Python, or Go or Golang. Then fifth command Hyderabad, around 5 connection. That's the reason we could see only from Hyderabad. Sixth command women or girl or ladies or females. That's the reason we see the combination of one word from a set 1.
So
any one word within 7 words from set 2. Yeah.
So one more thing, Shiv, like if you are putting star with the woman, right? So it will cover only categories in which woman the word is mentioned, right? It will not take all the female cadre words, right?
It would
like
take
ladies,
any word.
girls.
See, it would take any word, woman star, or. See, end of the day, it is or here. We are forming a bracket.
Yeah, it's or. Okay.
So it's not taking only woman star. It's taking woman, women's, girl, girls, lady, ladies, female, balia, mahila, balika. Any one word.
So suppose if we, in this string, if I remove all these words and put only woman with star, then will that search all the female categories for me?
It will give only women. See, girl,
only woman, right? Yeah,
exactly. Balia, malika, these are only the alternate word for a woman, and just to give as many results as possible, we are using it.
Okay.
But otherwise, if you want to use only women also, we can use, but the search result would be restricted to only women, because
only woman, yeah,
one
exactly. Word to word is working.
More number of results. Instead of writing women, see, think in candidate point of view, how candidate might write. They might write women, they might write girls, they might write ladies, they might write female, they might write balika, they might write mahila. Think in candidate point of view.
Okay.
So, Shiv, I have a question.
Yeah.
So, what kind of profiles are we negating when we are writing minus in title colon profiles?
minus
in title,
colon
just put double quotes, profiles. Yeah.
profiles. In this case, it will exclude all the results which has the word profiles in title. It will exclude all those results. So anyway, here in title, we do not have a word profiles, but let's say that's not the accurate example in this case. But when we exclude something, let me come to the right example. I'll tell you. But okay, let's complete on this use case first, then I'll come to that. Okay, now we have a 6 command over here where first command we gave, we need a results from in URL linkedin.com/in. Second command we told we want along with in URL also we want in title software space star. It's taking software and star resembles any keyword. It could be developer, development, engineer, any keyword. Third command, again we gave in title, I also need test star. That's where it's giving software in title and also test in the title. It could be test, testing, tester, anything. So let me see in somewhere if we get test, testing, tester. Any one word. Most of the things are with the test. That's how people would have written. Marketing testing. Quality test, quality test. Lead software. Okay. Okay, here it is, lead software engineering test. So this complete